SEO tips and tricks. When creating content, it's important to optimize it for search engines to ensure it reaches your target audience. Here are a few tips and tricks to help you. Number 1 is to do keyword research. Identify relevant keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for. You can do this by simply going to the search bar and typing a phrase or words. For instance, you can type work from home. The top 3 pieces of content are your keywords, so study the content and use similar words. This will help you rank higher on your content. Number 2 is your title. It should accurately represent the content and include relevant keywords to improve search engine visibility. And number 3 is to focus on creating high quality content that provide value to your audience. You need to remember it is an ongoing process and will take time, but having a mentor who has the knowledge to help you understand the digital space, you will have a better chance in half the time. So if you're ready to reach and gain the knowledge of SEOs and optimize your digital space, then type ready in the comments below. I would love to show you how I have created an SEO platform to generate $600 daily pay without ever leaving my home. All you need is a cell phone and 2 hours a day. So type ready in the comments to get started.